Once the world was at peace and its beauty was absolutely stunning. Being in nature or even viewing scenes of nature reduces anger, fear, and stress and increases pleasant feelings. Exposure to nature not only makes you feel better emotionally, it contributes to your physical well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. Nature is the most beautiful and attractive planet which makes us happy and provide us natural environment to live healthy. Our nature provides us variety of beautiful attractive birds, animals, green plants, blue sky, land, running rivers, forests, air, sea, mountains, valleys, hills, and many more things. Our God has created a beautiful nature for the healthy living of us. All the things we use for our living are the assets of nature and should not imbalance the ecosystem cycle. We didn't know what we had until one day everything vanished. Our nature provides us beautiful environment to live and enjoy. So, it is our responsibility to keep it clean and away from all damages. In nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find reserves of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services. We depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperities. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. The most beautiful things are not associated with money. They are memories and moments. So, we all should try to maintain our